Alright, welcome back everybody. This is John from Win to Learn Studios. We're going to do another tutorial today on Starcoder, and this one's going to be on how to make your own Shipshape with Blockly and Starcoder. If you want to do Blockly, watch this video from here, and then if you want to do Starcoder, skip to about halfway through, you can find it. Okay, first things first, now we're here in the game. We have the controls. We go to click the code up here at the top, and make sure that we are on Blockly, right, not editor. Then we go to Starcoder. The Starcoder has a general list of commands. We're going to go down to this purple one over here. It's the second purple one. It's set ship shape, and I'm going to keep dying in the background. Disregard. Okay. Then from set ship shape, that's the first one we have. Then we have lists. We want to create a list with. We're going to create a list with numbered pairs. So I'm going to grab the numbered pair, which is this in Starcoder. So first we went to Starcoder, then we went to list. Now we're going to back to Starcoder, and I'm going to grab this little piece right here. And I want to go ahead and make a square. That's the starting shape we're going to do. So I only have 3 spots here, and we need 4 slots to make a square. Each square has 4 corners, right? I'm going to grab a 4th item, put it here on this list right here, and we need 4 of these. All right, so I can keep grabbing them out of here if I would like, or you can right click it, or 2-finger click if you're on Mac, duplicate. The Command C, Command V, or Control C, Control V to copy and paste also works. It's a great shortcut to make sure you use. You click it, make sure it's highlighted, hold Control, hit C, and then click somewhere else, hit Control, hit V, and then you pop up another one. Alright, we're going to delete that for now. Okay, so we have 4 numbered pairs, and we're going to write down 4 different locations. The first location for a square will be 0, 0. So that's good. Second location will be 1, 0. So that's good. Third location is going to be 1, 1, and the 4th location is going to be 0, 1. That's a square on with numbered pairs. We're going to submit code, and now we have a 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 square. All right, and then I'll show you how to do a triangle real quick. So I'll take that out, take this out. They can both go in the trash. Click this to make it go away. The cog goes up and down, right? The first location on a triangle will be 0, 0. The second location on the triangle will be 1, and then we'll do 2. We're going to be a little bit wider, and then we're going to go 0 and then 2. Okay. And that, I made myself a triangle perfectly into that. All right, great. So as you can see, we are a triangle. We're not a perfect triangle. Perfect triangle will be with actually 1 and then 2, 0, I think. There you go. Now we are a perfect triangle. Alright. Okay, so we're going to move on to Blockly now. That was how to do it with both Blockly and with a square and a triangle. Now I'm going to show you how to do the same thing with JavaScript. Now if we have the code all the way up here, already up here, the set ship shape, create list with, and the 3 numbered pairs, right? We're going to go back to a square. So I'm going to put another 0, 0 in there, right? If we go to the editor, the changeShipShape code is the JavaScript code for this, right? And then we already have the code up here. So that's a quick way to sort of see what kind of code is on the screen for Blockly to JavaScript, but we're going to start from scratch, and I'm going to show you how. So the code to change our ship, like I just said, is change capital S ship, capital S shape. All right. The lowercase c, and then the second every letter after every new word in the sequence after that will have a capital letter, and then we're going to start a parentheses. Right now, it's changing a ship shape with all these things in the parentheses, and so we're going to create a list in the parentheses by hitting the bracket button. And if you hit the left bracket button, which is next to your P button, it'll already create a closed bracket. So same thing with the parentheses, right? It closes the parentheses automatically. Okay, and so what this is that's the list, right? So this is the create ship shape, and then the second option here is the list, right? And then we're going to create the list with a numbered pair. So this is our numbered pair. So we can have parentheses, left bracket, and then we're going to put our number 0, comma 0, That's the first number in a square, correct? And then we have close bracket, close parentheses, okay? We're going to enter another number pair. So from the 0, we're going to hit right on the D-pad, and then parentheses, and then we're going to open up another bracket. And the bracket is already open and closed, okay? And we're going to type in 0, comma, 1, right, comma, bracket, 1, comma, 1, right, comma, bracket, 1, comma, 0. Okay, and as you can see here, we have changeShipShape. That's the code. This is with the parentheses, right? And then the bracket, we have left bracket to open up the list, and then we have a numbered pair 0, 0, comma, a numbered pair 0, 1, comma, a numbered pair 1, 1, comma, a numbered pair 1, 0. You don't have any more commas after that, but then you close off the numbered pair with the bracket, close off the list with another bracket, and then close off the code with the third bracket, and we're going to put a semicolon, which is right next to your L button on the keyboard. Okay, and if I hit submit, I should be a 1 by 1 by 1 square. Now, if we wanted to do the triangle, we would take out one of these numbered pairs because we'd only need 3, and we put in the 3 codes from before. So we can just take from right here, delete, 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 delete. Remember, also delete this comma, right? And then I accidentally deleted the numbered pair extra, so make sure it's bracket, bracket, parentheses at the end, right? So, and then the triangle numbers were 0, 0, 1, 2, and then 1, 0. There you go. Now you can also make your list as big as you want, right? So if you have a big grand ship that you have with a lot of different shapes, you can keep on making it as big as you want. So I'm going to show you one that's a little more complicated. Mine has 8, right? I'm going to go ahead and delete all this. I have mine loaded up. It's saved under foot. And my saved code, if you're a member, you can save code to our database, and then you can load it anytime. I have 3 different important codes that I use all the time, and this is to set my ship to a sort of a ninja star shape. And you'll see here it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different numbered pairs, and you'll also see some here are not whole numbers. These are 0.5, 0.7, 1.3, stuff like that. So you can use in between numbers. You don't have to use complete whole numbers. So I'll show you here, and I got myself a little ninja star type situation. And I'll have this code saved in the details below of the video, so you can go ahead and take my code and you can be a ninja star like me. Okay, and that is me showing you how to create your own ShipShape with Starcoder in both Blockly and the editor, okay? And the code that you'll see me post will be in JavaScript, so you'll have to paste it into the JavaScript, and I'll show you how to do that real quick. So you can take it right here on your. Make sure there's nothing in here. After you have you have to have it saved to your clipboard. You copy and paste it, right? So if you copied the code from the description of the video, you can right-click right here, paste, or you can click Control V, and it'll automatically paste it for you right there. The Control C and Control V but options, the Command C and Command V for Mac users are very important, especially in coding. You don't want to have to retype all this stuff, and you want to be able to whack away at your keyboard as quick as possible. So just remember that, have it in your repertoire. My tip from me to you. And then so you can submit the code. There you go. This has been John from with Win to Learn Studios with another tutorial on Starcoder. See you out there, Starcoders.